Introducing the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, four-wheel drive. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.